Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about the scientific method. The scientific method is basically the process that scientists use to research a question. The scientific method has many steps that we will be reviewing today. The first step is to ask a question about something that you notice or something that you see in your everyday life. The second step is to do background research on the question you asked. The third step is to create a hypothesis, which is basically like a little prediction or what you think is going to happen after you do what the question asks. So basically, I will provide an example for this. So, when I cook my eggs, when I boil them, I might ask myself, what would happen if I put this in the microwave? And then I would do for step number 2, I would do some background research on this and try and find out what would happen, or how it would happen and some things like that. The third step for this example would be I think it would explode and stuff. And for the fourth step is to test your hypothesis. What this basically means is that you're gonna test out your hypothesis using a experiment or something. Going back to our egg example, we could test our hypothesis by actually putting the egg in the microwave. The fifth step is to analyze your results, which is basically taking your results and reviewing them and seeing what it actually means. So for our egg example, if we put it in the microwave, it would obviously explode. So we would think, oh, it explodes, so that's my analyzation. The sixth step is to make a conclusion, which is basically concluding and making a conclusion about it. But if your hypothesis was false, you should make a new hypothesis and go back to step 3 and make a new hypothesis and restart. But if your hypothesis was correct, you should go on to step 7 and share it to the rest of the world. Here are the notes if you guys want to, copy them or something or take a picture.